Hey guys, thanks for watching the Install Proz channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to install a screen protector on the navigation screen for a 2016 Dodge Ram. If you're new to our channel, please take the time to subscribe. Also check out the description of this video. We have a link to our giveaway. We'll have a link to the product that we're using to install on the screen protector. So please check those out. We'll get started.
Alright, we're going to put some paint protection film on the navigation screen in this 16 Ram. I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is clean the screen. I recommend a soft terry cloth, alcohol and water. Just a little mist there. And just come over to the screen. Some of the alcohol and water ratios can be found on some of our other videos. A little more water than rubbing alcohol. When you're doing it, just kind of look and make sure you're getting the edges really clean. Make sure that you're getting everything off the screen. In this case, this is a perfect example. There's a little, someone's touched the screen right there with maybe a Coke splatter from soda pop or candy or just something. Kids touched it or something, but you want to make sure you get that off. So now that's off of there. And you want to make it free from dust, lint and stuff. That's a big part of this, is to get it really clean. Not only do you want it to stick well, but you're going to be looking through this material to see your stereo and your climate controls and such, and so you don't want a big blotch or contamination in there. So now that that's clean, I would just buy yourself a sheet of paint protection film, just a square of it. Find that on Amazon or online somewhere. And just get you a sheet of it that's a little bigger than your screen you're trying to protect. I've kind of cut this one down already. It's a little bit bigger sheet. It's a little wide, so I'm just gonna shave a little bit. Just take a pair of scissors and just cut off a little bit, and on the top you could shave a little bit off and just kind of trim yours to fit. I use scissors. I can cut pretty straight. You could use a straight edge and a razor blade if you want. You could actually measure it out, but if you just order yourself a square piece that's a little bigger than what you need, you're going to be able to use two edges that are already just going to line up with an edge, right? So those two are already cut, and you can just trim one or two to get it to fit. But trim it down so it's a little bit smaller than the surface. Doesn't need to go all the way to the edge. Okay, I've cleaned that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my gel solution here to apply it to the screen. You could use baby shampoo and water if you'd like. We've also got that mixture ratio on another one of our videos. You're going to peel that off. You're just going to do just a spray there. That may seem kind of crazy to some of you, but I've done hundreds and hundreds of these through the years, and I've never once had it bother the dash or a screen. Never caused any problems. I think the manufacturers designed them to get a little bit of moisture anyways. If someone spilled a drink or something on them, they can get a little wet. And then where my gel got there, I might just take a little bit of that and kind of get it on my squeegee, and I hold that in place with my thumb, and I just go right straight through the middle there. Okay, and then I kind of work from the center out on everything. I like to equally disperse the slack when I squeegee out stuff, so I don't do what's called torquing patterns and twisting them around and wrinkling them and stuff. So you got to make sure your squeegee's a little wet. Just push that out, overlap your pattern. You don't want to jump around everywhere because you'll miss little pieces of the gel. And then what I like to do is you just kind of clean up the dash here and get your overspray off, and then you just kind of wipe this gel or the baby shampoo and water off everywhere. Get it out of the cracks. That's where it's going to build up. And you're going to want to clean it. You can see that little circle I just rubbed. Maybe if you zoom in there, the gel will kind of look a little funky there. You don't want to let that dry on there, so you just basically go around. You want to get the gel off the edges. clean it off the actual vehicle itself. Everywhere that you got a little bit of overspray, make sure you get it all off so it doesn't dry and leave some water spots, stuff on the truck. Just clean it up nice. Wipe everything down. I'll turn this on in just a second after I finish cleaning it. This will protect it from scratches and cracks for the most part. These are probably average a couple $1,000 depending on the make and model of your vehicle to replace one. And I would recommend an 8mm self-healing paint protection film. And when you get light scratches through it each year, you can just kind of take a blow dryer heat gun, warm it up, and those surface scratches will go away with a chemical top coat material, which is a self-healing paint protection material. And I have also never seen a piece of paint protection film on a navigation screen, cell phone, tablet, anything like that, that's ever hindered the way that it functions as far as touch, because it's a touch screen. I'm going to turn this on and let that light up. You can see through it just like it's not even there. You can just go in and use it. So I just touched the screen there and that lit up. And it works just fine. I'm gonna turn the radio on, turn the volume down. But as you can see, everything still just works the same. You don't even know it's on there, other than it's protecting it. And that's how to put some self-healing paint protection film screen protector on your touchscreen in your vehicle.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please take the time to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, check out the description of this video. We'll have a link to our giveaway. We'll also have a link to all the products and tools that we used for this video. Also, we've had a number of individuals who have reached out to us in regards to getting Install Pro shirts, hats, or other swag. We decided to turn it back to you guys. If you've got ideas for shirts or hats, whether it's funny stuff, serious stuff, wording, designs, whatever, please feel free to comment below or send us an email at support@installpros.com. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.